Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Are you looking for the Format Text tab in Outlook? Many users want to customize their emails but can't find the formatting options. The Format Text tab is essential for changing fonts, colors, and paragraph styles in your messages. First, understand that this tab only appears when you are actively composing an email, replying to one, or forwarding a message. So, begin by opening a new email window. Once your new message is open, look at the top of the Outlook window, specifically at the ribbon. The Format Text tab is usually visible there, nestled between tabs like Message and an Insert. It's designed to give you quick access to all your text formatting tools. If you don't see it immediately, your ribbon might be minimized or hidden. Try double-clicking on any existing tab name, such as Message, to fully expand the ribbon. This action often reveals all the available tabs, including Format Text. Another very common reason for the tab being absent is that your email might be set to plain text format. Plain text does not support any formatting, so the tab isn't needed. To fix this, while in your new email, click on the Options tab in the ribbon. Then, locate the Format group within the Options tab. Make sure HTML is selected. HTML is the standard format that allows for rich text editing. Once you switch your message format to HTML, navigate back to the Message tab. You should now clearly see the Format Text tab available. This will give you full control over your email's appearance, letting you make your messages look exactly how you want them. You can now bold, italicize, change font sizes, and apply various other formatting options easily.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.